Hi, this is Michael from Logic Hop, and I wanted to give you a quick demo of how to use query strings to dynamically update your page and personalize the content based on query strings that you may have coming from display ad campaigns, social media posts that you're sharing, or links from an email blast that's going out to a full list. So let's take a look at this quick demo. Here I've set up a generic page. I've got it called Query String Demo. If we take a look here, I just have an H2 header. It's WordCamp 2017. Be sure to check out WordCamp 2017 in Nashville. Well, we'd love to be speaking at WordCamp in 2017 and we applied. So if we are speakers, maybe we want to show that some of the partners are there. So let me show you how we could do this with Logic Hop. So all that I want to do is come in here and say, within this H2, I'm going to choose this and say Logic Hop data and a variable. So what I'm going to choose is a query string variable. So I insert this here, and here we have this hashtag around the word var. So we've got a hashtag and a hashtag. So this is just that I need to replace this with the query string variable name. So I'm going to just use the name partner. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click insert variable shortcode. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this header just a little bit. So it's going to say check out blank at WordCamp 2017. So I'm going to go ahead and update this. And when I come to the demo page and I hit reload, well, now it says check out at WordCamp 2017 exclamation point. Well, that's because we don't have that query string variable. So let me put this in. It's going to be partner Logic Hop. There we go. Check out Logic Hop at WordCamp 2017. Now, one of the issues you may have with this page, if a user comes in and they don't have that query string, well, your formatting is all out of whack. Check out at WordCamp 2017. So this is where conditions come into play. So I've created a Logic Hop condition called query string partner, and my description here is just, does the query string partner exist? So in my conditional statement, I'm really just saying if the query string partner, and I define this, I type this in, this could be any value, but what I'm saying is if it is not, and then here in the value, this is the important part, I give it no value at all. So that means if that query string does not exist, if it has no value, then this condition will be met. And then let's come back to our page. I'm going to insert my conditional shortcode and just say query string partner and insert this. So I'm just going to cut this and I'm going to put this around my copy that I have here. I'm going to go ahead and update the page. So what this is going to do is if this condition is met, when that variable partner is set, it's going to display this copy. So I'm going to go ahead and reload this page, and you'll see, whoa, all that text is gone. Well, that's good because we're not displaying the wrong message. And if I come in and I put in partner and say the partner is Logic Hop, and I go ahead and load that page, now that message displays. So what we need to do is use the inverse condition also on that page. So I have that condition here, the one where if it is met, if there is content, and then I can use a conditional not shortcode. And this is just the opposite. So this is going to be the opposite of that condition. So it's going to say if there is no data for query string partner, we're going to display this text here. Let me just paste this in place. So I've got that back to my original statement here. So I'm going to click update. Let's view the page. Here we go, I reload it. We have our partner value. Check out Logic Hop at WordCamp 2017. Now I want to go ahead and I want to get rid of this. Now we have that default catch-all message. Check out WordCamp 2017. So we can see if we have that variable coming in. Now another cool thing is if we have different partners, let's say at this event we're going to have other people come in and speak. Amazon is one of my favorite companies. So check out Amazon at WordCamp 2017. You'll see one of the important things is I am putting this in with the right title case. So I have Amazon and I also have Logic Hop. And you see Logic Hop is 2 words. I've got the plus in there, so it's a properly formatted URL. Let's take a look at customizing this even more and say, why don't we add in a logo for these particular partners? So when I come in here, I can go and say add media, and you'll see in my media library, I have a Logic Hop logo and I have an Amazon logo. Now, one thing that's important in this scenario is that they're going to have the same file path. So I've uploaded these both the same month. So they're the July of 2017, and they're both the same file type, amazon.png. Notice that that's all lowercase. When we come to Logic Hop, you'll see again 2000 July, and it's logic-hop.png. This is very important, lowercase, and the spaces are now hyphens. So I'm going to go ahead and click Insert this into the page. And I've inserted it within my condition. One thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out the extra styling so it's easier to read for this demo. So there we go. I just want to make this as easy as possible. So when I click Update, check out Logic Hop at WordCamp 2017. Awesome, we've got the Logic Hop logo here. Now let's go ahead and put in Amazon. And you'll see, we'll check out Amazon. So now we need to dynamically update that image. So when I come back in and I edit this page, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select that name, logic-hop, and I'm going to replace this with my data variable shortcode. So I'm going to grab this one just for simplicity, and I'm going to paste it in here. Now, the other important thing to notice is when we have Logic Hop displayed, or we have Amazon displayed in this instance, it's uppercase. And when we have Logic Hop displayed, it has a space between the words. So what I want to show you is another parameter that we can add, and that is case equals lower. The other parameter that we're going to add in is spaces equals hyphen. Now what this is going to do is this is going to take this data that it's displaying, that variable value, it's going to change it to all lowercase, and it's going to replace any spaces with a hyphen. So let me click Update, and we come back to our page, and I reload. Let's start with Amazon and view that. So there we go. Check out Amazon at WordCamp 2017. We've got the Amazon logo. Now let's go ahead and put in Logic Hop, and there we go. We've got the Logic Hop logo. So this is just one way that you can use query strings and a single condition to customize your page to show content that is relevant to the user and personalize your website with ease. I hope this is helpful. This is just scratching the surface so you can start to get a sense of things that you can do with Logic Hop. Another question that may come up is, oh wait, you're using page caching. Well, we can do all of this with JavaScript as well. So instead of using our conditional shortcodes, we can use JavaScript conditions and JavaScript data display. So this can be done with caching plugins or using shortcodes at the template level. If you have any questions, send me an email at info@logichop.com. We'll work with you to get your scenario set up and working so you can be customizing using Logic Hop. Thanks for checking this out.